It's been another set of errors from National University that has put Adamson on top 8-5 in set number 3, and the Lady Falcons also on top 2-0. Pablo reaching back for that one and getting the point and the kill for NU.
Nice hit from Pablo, confusing the defense. It was a bit far from the net. Akala natin mahaba yung bola niya, but he hit it with an off-speed.
Andrea Marzan serving for NU.
Landing it in the middle for Adamson, in the court of Adamson. Ooh! Again, that's Vistana.
7-8.
Having some problems here in receiving the ball in this third set.
Like what I was saying, both teams really not playing their A game today. And NU within one.
Errors kanina pa natin sinasabi, especially for the side of NU service errors. They have given away so many points with those errors on the serve.
Let's listen in to Trishka Echeverri.
From Coach Duce's calm demeanor earlier at the start of this set, napatayo nga siya kanina to remind her girls to wake up and not to relax. Let's keep our eyes on the ball and not on our opponents to climb up on defense. She asked them to play more alert. In that last timeout, Coach Duce demonstrated to her girls how to have better timing. Let's take advantage of the momentum we have and play to have a bigger lead in order to secure our victory. Eric and Ian.
Thank you, Trishka. Wow, exciting defense being played by both teams here, and NU on a rare occasion getting the better of Adamson in that exchange.
That's right. Great coverage by NU. Picking up those dumps from Adamson, not giving up on the play, keeping that ball alive, and they get rewarded. Of course, Kai Nepomuceno in the front.
The best pa natin nabanggit. Parang tayong broken record with...
And I just heard Coach Francis say, ano ba yan? What's going on with you? Service.
NU was within one. Now they're down by 2 because of that crucial error.
So kung titingnan mo, dapat lamang na siguro sila by 1 or 2 points.
Pero
3 points.
sabi ni Alcuino,
sabi niya siguro,
hindi lang naman kayo nagkakamali.
Total naman, magkakaibigan tayo dito. I'll return the favor. Tignan natin kung itong si
Ivy Perez.
Ganun
hindi naman.
Hindi. Laban. Wala kaibigan mo.
And what a great block from Dadang and Salibad right there. As we are tied at 10 all. Take a look. Kanina pa tumama yun? Okay, Salibad actually.
Now we're tied.
Perez. Nice block. Over on the first touch from Kai Nepomuceno, and Kai anticipating that dump coming from Soriano, and
outside.
Too wide.
Going sideways, looking for that opening. Too long, and lamang na ang National University 11-10.
Paul Soriano doing a Jem Ferrer. Sinet niya kunyari, biglang inihulog. And hitting it too wide. Now NU with a... I was just about to say, now they have the lead and they just throw it away.
I think they don't like having the lead. Lamang naman, teka lang nga.
May ganun pala.
Well, how many times have we seen it here? Lamang silang isa, lamang dalawa, and then they throw it away on a service error.
I know. Or after a good play, a set play, biglang sila magsiserve, biglang tatapon lang nila yung point.
Togonon. Empty backcourt para sa NU, and now Adamson goes out to the lead, 12-11.
Adamson has a lot of... They're given a lot of points. 3 points here in this third set. Hindi maganda din ang laro ng Adamson, but because of those 3 points from NU, they have the lead right now.
Now it's by 2 as Pao Soriano mans the net the right way. Prevents that tip over by NU. Pineda with the serve. Nepomuceno.
Nice play.
Good job by Perez defensively. Easy over by National University. Combination, and this time Togonon a little too strong.
That's right.
12,
That was just a
13.
push. No wrist action. So, tatapon lang. Tsaka mahaba masyado yung bola. An error from the lefty, Togonon.
What National University really needs here, at least in this set now, to stretch this out to at least a 4 or a 5 setter is, you know, good consistency for at least 6 points.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Kung ma-maintain lang nila yun, and, you know, Adamson with their fair share of errors, makakalabang sila rito.
Oo, lalo na itong third set na to.
14 to 12. May Makatuna serving.
But the defense unable to block that shot. Lamang na naman ang dalawa. Ang Adamson, Dadang with a hit right there. Kinlog.
Nice play from Pau. Oh.
Soriano with a gentle
Really
hit.
added any players on the floor. This is what you don't want to see. Adamson pulling away by 5-6 points. Napakahirap habulin, no? So, NU has to stop this run by Adamson.
Malazan.
That's the play.
That doesn't cross.
And just like that, Adamson with a 4-point cushion in set number 3, 16-12.